What are coordinates? Coordinates are pairs of numbers that describe the exact locations of points in the coordinate plane. The coordinates of a point are placed inside a pair of parentheses and separated by a comma, like in 4, 3. Let's take a closer look at these coordinates. 4, 3. The first coordinate is called the horizontal coordinate, and it tells you where the point is horizontally. The second coordinate is called the vertical coordinate, and it tells you where the point is vertically. This is where the point with coordinates 4, 3 is placed in the coordinate plane. The value of the first coordinate is read off the horizontal axis. If you move down from the point until you reach the horizontal axis, you find the number 4. So 4 is the first coordinate of your point. The value of the second coordinate is read off the vertical axis. If you move sideways from the point towards the vertical axis, you find the number 3. So 3 is the second coordinate of your point. The order in which the coordinates are placed is important. The horizontal coordinate is always first, followed by the vertical coordinate. If you change the order of the coordinates, your point ends up here. So be careful. Let's look at another example. You are given the coordinates of a point 5, 2 and asked to draw the point on the plane. What do? Remember, the first coordinate is read off the horizontal axis. So, locate 5 on the horizontal axis and draw a vertical line up. The second coordinate is read off the vertical axis. So, you locate 2 on the vertical axis and draw a horizontal line sideways. The point where these two lines intersect is the location of the point with coordinates 5, 2. Let's look at another example. This time, the point is placed on the vertical axis. What are the coordinates in this case? Like before, the value of the first coordinate is read on the horizontal axis. So, if you move down from the point until you reach the horizontal axis, you find the number 0. 0 is therefore the first coordinate. Now let's find the second coordinate. You don't need to move sideways in this case, as you're already on the vertical axis at point 3. 3 is therefore the second coordinate. The coordinates of the point is 0, 3. Finally, let's consider the origin. What are the coordinates of this point? At the origin, both the first and second coordinate are 0, as it's the point where the two axes meet. That means that the coordinates of the origin must be 0, 0. Coordinates are pairs of numbers that describe the exact locations of points in the coordinate plane. The coordinates of a point are placed inside a pair of parentheses and separated by a comma,